Hey, this is Keith L. Jones coming to you with a real quick training on how to promote Power Lead System as soon as you start Power Lead System, right? So this is your back office. Once you update or upgrade to Gold, you should have this back office under getting started. But all you have to do, ladies and gentlemen, to create your very first funnel and start promoting Power Lead System to generate more leads and possibly more, business partners by sharing this powerful system with them and showing them why you should utilize Power Lead System. But before you're able to do that, soon you start, I'm going to show you a way to start making money with Power Lead System. All right. So all you have to do is go down to hover over capture leads, go down to lead capture pages we created. I'm going to show you how simple this is to set up your first funnel soon as you get started. So it's going to take you to this page. Choose your landing pages. Now, I'm banking on you already have your domain name. If not, go back, find out, go buy a domain name or go back into the system and get a domain name. It'll be in another video. However, let's go ahead and utilize whatever domain name you created. All right. And once you do that, number two, I want to attract someone to become a prospect for whatever I want. That's very important. All right. Make sure it's on that. And before I even proceed any further, ladies and gentlemen, once you get to this page, even though you're watching this video, read this, understand this, then proceed. You can push pause on this video. So let's go ahead. Welcome back. All right. So we're going to scroll down and I want you to go to this particular heading. You're not going to have this many pages under the screen if you're just now starting. I've been, you know, utilizing this system and learning. But what you're going to in acquiring some other capture pages and sales pages. But I want you to find Power Lead System lead capture pages. All right, these are already done up for you. Okay, so if you wanted to go ahead and just utilize Power Lead System to start promoting wherever you're promoting to, you can click on it and it will show you what it says. Very powerful. Click on them and see which one you want to go ahead and use. But this training purposes, I'm going to make sure. So I'm going to show you what it does. Let me just bring up some Power Lead System. All right, great. All right, so I'm going to go back down there. I had to refresh. Make sure, because I don't want to mess up anything. Power Lead System, yes. All right. So I'm going to go back down. You also have Power Lead System, just in case you want to promote another company. They have generic ones. Any company lead capture pages. If you could go and click on here. Nice video. It doesn't brand any company.
Hey guys, it's Jeff here from Minnesota.
So it's not, it's good. So for this, I'm just going to use that. Right. All right. I'm going to use that one for any company. So that one is under any company lead capture pages. Go ahead. And I want to collect, you have your choice, name and email, email only, name, email, and phone. For this one, I'm going to go ahead and click just email only. Once I select that option, scroll down till you see save my choices. It's going to take you to the next step, which is choose your sales page. Again, read that. All right. But what you do is come down, look for your sales page. Again, I've been using the system, so I've accumulated more sales page, but I'm going to bring it down to a general that you should have. Again, I have more, so I do apologize. All right. No. All right, great. So I did a general one, so you should have some for power lead system, custom choices. So you could send them to lead lightly, power lead system. For this one, I'm going to use the sales page, 4 tabs. You should have that one. All right, I'm gonna use that one. But play around with it. Choose which ones, whatever ones you have in your back office. Again, my back office for my sales page step for this particular sales funnel is different because I have more. I've been using it. But save your choices, and they're going to ask you what email campaign that you want to utilize. So just go down here. I know the one you should have would be promote your primary business. That's just saying it's just general, it's generic. However, I'm going to promote the Power Lead System opportunity campaign. It's going to be all on Power Lead System follow up. So it's going to do the work for you. Okay, you get it. It's doing the work for you, following up emails once that lead comes through that capture page. All right. And it tells you here for this domain, make sure this is the domain that you want to use for this particular one, this training in this sales page. All right. After you purchase it, you have to purchase a domain name before you can do this step. All right. So click on I choose once you make sure that everything is correct. Okay. Click here to work with a different domain if this is the one you want. So great, congratulations. So let's go ahead and test it out. You have successfully set up this domain. Oh, first, okay, Gary.
Hey guys, it's Jeff here.
I'm gonna put in a test email to show you. But you should test them out before you even start distributing the link. Verify that I'm a real person. Voila. It takes them to Power Lead System. Free trial. Ladies and gentlemen, it was that simple. So all you have to do now is go back, get this link, whatever link you chose. This link right here. All right. Now, if you're like me, I'm utilizing this in another offer that I have as an affiliate offer that I'm promoting, and I'm generating leads for this particular section of my system. So hopefully you understand, and you'll be able to, if you don't, you'll be able to rewind and watch this video again and just take this link and put it and distribute it and share it with people wherever you choose. If you would like to see where I choose, look in the description below. You'll see a link and it'll show you my system. Until next time, my name is Keith L. Jones, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you.